Detoxification, cleansing your organs. Cleansing the inside of your body has always been a big deal to those who advocate the use of detoxification diets. Indeed, there are many benefits to those who actually use these types of diets properly. Not only can one experience a healthier immune system that will help fight off diseases better and more efficiently, but the internal body will be much better off for undergoing detoxification. If you have ever wondered about some of the other benefits that you could have by involving yourself and your body in a detoxification diet for a weekend, here is some food for thought. 1. Your colon is cleansed. Many people focus on colon cleansing as the absolute source of a detoxification diet. Even though the colon is not the only organ that should be focused on during a dieting weekend, it certainly will help the body in the long run. Consider what the main functions of the colon actually are in the body. The colon is used to excrete wastes from the body, but another purpose of the colon is used in water absorption. These two functions are crucial to having and keeping a healthy body. By undergoing a detoxification process, one is able to have a healthy colon so that it will function more properly. Let's face it, after years of digesting fatty foods, foreign substances, along with other harmful things, our colon may not be functioning well at all. But the detoxification diet will include natural fruit and vegetable juices that will aid the colon in getting rid of any wastes that were there before. 2. Your kidneys are cleaner. One of the organs in your body that does a terrific job of keeping your entire body and system clean is your kidney. Even though kidneys are several of the organs that are taken for granted, the kidneys do filter out a lot of the horrible substances that enter them. For example, filtering out alcohol byproducts is just one instance in which your kidneys do its job excellently. On the other hand, there is no way that your kidney is able to filter out every single small harmful particle. Because of this, individuals and health food experts recommend that a detoxification must be done. Not only are the kidneys cleaner, but they will also be able to do their job more properly than before the detox process. 3. A healthy immune system. Of course, there are plenty of other benefits that one can experience by undergoing a detoxification system, but the major benefit and goal of it all is to have a healthier immune system. Let's face it, each winter everyone usually experiences nasty bacterial colds, influenza, whooping coughs, as well as a variety of other diseases that are not necessary. Even though there is no commercial way to get rid of these diseases, a detoxification is able to help and boost the immune system so that these same diseases and ailments are cured instantly. When we consider all the benefits of a detoxification diet, there is much evidence to suggest that we all need to undergo a cleansing process ourselves. By keeping up with our detox diet and making sure that we use it properly, we are only making a healthier system for our bodies.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.